In the ever-evolving landscape of technology and entrepreneurship, new opportunities are constantly emerging for those willing to explore unconventional paths. One of the latest trends captivating aspiring entrepreneurs and side hustlers alike is the rise of zero-cost, AI-powered ventures that promise impressive returns with minimal upfront investment. In July 2025, Tamal Krishna Chandra highlighted a remarkable approach to building a lucrative side hustle, one that leverages the power of free artificial intelligence tools to create and sell digital assets, potentially generating up to $300 a day. Let's delve into the details of this strategy, unpack how it works, and explore both the promise and pitfalls of this new wave of AI-driven side hustles. The core of this approach is simple yet powerful. Harness the capabilities of free AI platforms to produce digital products that can be sold online. This model is designed to minimize costs and automate much of the work, allowing even those with limited technical expertise or resources to get started. The process begins with identifying marketable ideas, a crucial step that sets the foundation for success. By researching trending topics, underserved niches, or evergreen needs within digital marketplaces, you can pinpoint areas where demand is high, but competition may be lower. Examples range from digital planners and ebooks to art, templates, or even niche informational guides. The key is to find a product idea that is both unique and valuable to your target audience. Once a promising niche is identified, the next step is to create the actual digital product. Here, AI tools come into play. Platforms like ChatGPT are invaluable for generating written content, such as ebooks, articles, scripts, or guides, while DALL-E and similar AI art generators can produce unique visuals, illustrations, or design elements. The beauty of these tools lies in their accessibility. They are often free or have generous free tiers, and require little to no prior experience to use effectively. With some experimentation and creativity, you can produce professional quality digital assets in a fraction of the time and cost it would take through traditional means. After your digital product is ready, the focus shifts to selling and delivering it to customers. This is where automation can make all the difference. By setting up systems that handle transactions and delivery, using platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even your own website, you can ensure that sales are processed and products delivered without manual intervention. This not only frees up your time, but also allows you to scale your operation. As sales increase, you can add more products, explore additional niches, or ramp up marketing efforts, all without significantly increasing your workload. What makes this approach particularly appealing is the potential for rapid scaling. With minimal upfront costs, low ongoing expenses, and the ability to automate much of the process, there are few barriers to expanding your offerings or reaching a wider audience. For those willing to put in the necessary research and effort upfront, the rewards can be substantial. Reports of individuals earning $300 or more per day are not uncommon. And as AI tools continue to improve, the possibilities for new digital products and services will only grow. However, as with any opportunities that promises high returns with low investment, it's important to approach this trend with both optimism and caution. The AI side hustle landscape is highly dynamic. What works well today might be saturated or less effective tomorrow. As more people become aware of these strategies and the market becomes more crowded, standing out will require greater creativity, better marketing, and a deeper understanding of your audience's needs. Additionally, some aspects of the AI side hustle ecosystem have come under scrutiny. For example, while data annotation work, another AI-related gig, is often advertised as a simple way to earn money. Recent reports have highlighted issues such as low pay rates and poor working conditions. This serves as a reminder to carefully vet the platforms you choose to work with and to prioritize opportunities that offer fair compensation and ethical business practices. Despite these challenges, the potential of AI-powered side hustles remains significant. The key is to focus on value creation, using AI not just to churn out generic products, but to craft something genuinely useful, beautiful, or engaging for your customers. This might mean investing extra time in refining your product, gathering feedback, or learning new skills to enhance what AI can do. Let's break down the process into actionable steps for those interested in trying this approach themselves. First, start with research. Spend time exploring online marketplaces, social media trends, and forums to identify gaps in the market or products that are in high demand. Tools like Google Trends, Answer the Public, or even browsing through top-selling items on platforms like Etsy can provide valuable insights. Next, brainstorm product ideas that fit within these niches and that can be feasibly created using AI tools. For example, if you notice a surge in interest around personal finance, you might create a set of budgeting templates, a digital planner, or an ebook on money-saving strategies. If design is your strength, consider using DALL-E to generate unique art prints or social media graphics. Once you have a clear product idea, leverage AI to create the content. With ChatGPT, you can draft ebooks, guides, articles, or even scripts for video content. DALL and similar visual AI platforms allow you to produce original images or illustrations that can be sold as prints, added to digital products, or used for branding. Always remember to review and refine the output to ensure quality and originality. While AI is powerful, a human touch is often needed to make the product truly stand out. After your product is complete, set up a sales platform. Gumroad and Etsy are popular choices for digital products, offering built-in tools for transactions, product delivery, and customer communication. These platforms also provide exposure to large audiences, increasing your chances of making sales without significant upfront marketing spend. If you prefer more control, you can create a simple website using platforms like Carrd or Shopify, integrating payment and delivery systems for a seamless customer experience. Marketing your product is the next critical step. Even the best digital asset won't sell if nobody knows it exists. Social media marketing, content creation, and leveraging communities relevant to your niche can drive traffic to your product pages. Consider offering limited-time discounts, free samples, or partnering with influencers to boost visibility. As sales grow, reinvest some of your profits into paid advertising or expanding your product line to reach new customers. Of course, as your side hustle grows, you'll encounter challenges. The market may shift, competitors may enter your niche, and customer preferences can change rapidly. Staying adaptable is essential. Regularly review your sales data, gather feedback from customers, and keep an eye on emerging trends and new AI tools that can enhance your offerings. It's also worth acknowledging the ethical considerations associated with AI-generated content. Ensure that your products do not infringe on copyright or intellectual property rights, and be transparent with your customers about how the products were created. Building trust and a positive reputation will serve you well in the long run. For those who are skeptical or hesitant, it's important to remember that every entrepreneurial journey involves some degree of risk and uncertainty. However, the low-cost nature of this AI side hustle means that the financial risk is minimal, making it an attractive option for those looking to experiment or supplement their income. Looking ahead, the intersection of AI and digital entrepreneurship is likely to become even more vibrant. With new tools and capabilities emerging regularly, the possibilities for innovative products and streamlined business models will only expand. Those who are proactive in learning, experimenting, and adapting will be best positioned to capitalize on these opportunities. In conclusion, the formula outlined by Tamal Krishnachandra demonstrates how accessible and profitable AI-driven side hustles can be for motivated individuals. By combining market research, creative use of AI tools, and automated sales processes, it's possible to build a sustainable income stream with virtually no startup costs. While success is never guaranteed and challenges are inevitable, the current environment presents a unique window of opportunity for those willing to take the leap. Whether you're seeking extra income, a creative outlet, or a chance to explore the cutting edge of technology, the world of AI-powered digital products offers a compelling path forward, one that rewards initiative, adaptability, and a willingness to embrace the future.